Hey, how's it going? My name is Curtis, and in this video I wanted to run through AI tool I've been working on. We'll go over one of the tools in this video, and then in other videos I'll go over some of the other tools I'm working on as well. So yeah, if we just jump straight into it, if we head across the color palette gen, I would leave a link in the description. This is the page that you would come to. So what the color palette gen basically does is, if you are a creative, a designer, and you need to come up with a color palette from an image or a photo, or you only go and you see something that you like and you pull out your mobile phone and you snap a picture of it, at that instance you could generate a color swatch similar to this right here, and the generator would actually spit out the RGB, the hex, and the HSL values that you could use in your designs later on. So if we scroll along, I'll just look at the key features really quick so you can understand like why I did it and some of the features I wanted. So one of the big things is privacy and security. So when this was designed, I make sure that all the processes happen directly on your system. None of your information needs to go to a server in order to get this to work. So you don't need to log into the website, you don't need to create an account. You just visit the site, upload your photo, generate your swatch, and you can leave, right? The other thing, you have the customizability to choose how many swatches you want in the palette. So if you only need 5 swatches generated, you could select 5, create 5. You could do 10, you could do 8, you could do 12, you could do whatever you want, right? So the other thing is multiple color formats. So depending on the type of work that you do, if you work online and you need to get hex, or you do general design and you want to use RGB, the swatch would generate the values for those different formats. So you could, basically select whichever format you currently work in. The swatches are downloadable, so once the swatch is generated, you could download it directly to your system and you could get all the codes within the swatch, just a really neat high-res swatch, right? Camera integration. So if you are using a mobile device and you go in to select an image, you could either choose to select the image or select to take a photo. And once you select to take a photo, once you take the photo, it would be processed by the AI and then generate the color swatch based on that, right? And the interface, very friendly. I just wanted something simple and clean that I could use, and well, anyone who's using the site could use it as well. So if we just scroll up, this is how simple the UI is, like extremely simple. You could drag and drop image in here, or you could select choose file. This would work on mobile or desktop. So if we go to choose file, this is an image that I generated from my text to image generator that I'm currently working on. I would do a video on that once I upload it to the site, but it isn't there as yet. It would be coming soon. So I am trying to get like pretty photorealistic text to images for my design work as well. So that is why I created this tool. So once you upload it, you could come here and you could see number of colors. So you could select how many color swatches that you want. So here we have 5 right now. You could use the up and down to go up and down, or you could just type in the field how many you want. So let's say we do 8, right? So you scan the image and you hit generate, and then here it generated the color swatch itself. So it has 8 swatches with the full values for each of the colors, right? And then the other thing you could do is you could select download swatch, and then you see downloaded here to my system. And if I open it, this is the color swatch itself, and this will download to your computer or your phone depending on what device you're using. So yeah, that is it. It's a really simple tool that, for me being a designer, it was something that I wanted to have access to, and I mean the easiest thing to do was to build it. So now anyone have full access to it. It is free to use, so I would leave the link in the description. In the next video I would go over some of the other tools here, and once I release the image to text, or text to image, I would do a video on that. So yeah, that is it for now, guys. I will see you all in the next video.